Hi, I'm Nathan Savory. I'm from Cumbria and I've been turning about 2 years now, and I work for Peter Hall & Son, which is a fine furniture and cabinet maker in Staveley, and I'm working the wood turning department. This is one of the products that we make. It's a little bottle vase. Beautiful, delicate shape, nice thin neck. So it's quite a challenge to make when I first started. Went through a few nicks for sure, but I've got my technique sorted now. And so I make full time for them, and they sell it in the boutique in Windermere and also online. And I found out about this course with the Registered Professional Turners from Instagram. I got in touch with Jay and said, "Oh, I'm really interested," and she said, "Well, send you a bit more information, and if you think you're fit, then we'll book you in." So I had a quick read through and replied as quickly as I could because I didn't want to miss out on this opportunity, and I'm so delighted I got a space because just meeting other turners is always good. Meeting other turners your age is even better, and meeting people who have a real excitement and passion to learn and grow and develop it's just been really incredible to be around these people, just soaking up information, asking questions, and with all of us together we all are coming at it from different angles, and so the questions and conversations that have flowed this weekend have been, "Oh, I didn't think of that, but yes, that's a fantastic question." And we've really all played off each other to really learn and grow all together and bring all of our best bits together. And so we've had quite a few incredible tutors who've been teaching us specific skills, but what each one of us as young and emerging turners has brought to the table has been invaluable as well. Sharing knowledge of selling work or websites or sales talk or different techniques or photography, of just elements that each person has figured out and gone, "Oh, I tried this and that worked. I tried this and that didn't work." Would I do it again? Absolutely. It's